So guys, I noticed this video was not complete. I'm referring to the video I uploaded yesterday. But then, after rendering the whole video, it was complete. How that happened, I have no idea. So I've decided to now upload the concluding part because I did not know until I'm getting comments like this. Can you see? The video is not complete as it did not show how to access eCommerce Copywriting. And I was thinking it was complete. I did not know how this happened. So just make sure you have watched this first one. So this is part 2 of this part 1. How that makes sense. And I also put the link on screen. So probably you can go watch that first in case if you have not. So take this as the second demo of the eCommerce Copywriting. Sorry about that. Okay, so it will start afresh asking you those questions it's already asked. So let me show you the product we'll be using as the second case study, right? It is this car play box. Okay, so it is actually one of the products I shared in this video as well. I'll also put the link to the video. Anyways, so let's continue with this. So the question it is asking is, the product name is, so let me just copy this product name. So this is the product name and the niche, I'll just say gadget. I'll just say car gadget. All right, so you have, thanks for providing the product details. All right, so the next thing to ask is either you provide the brand name or the manufacturer name, or you probably have linked to a website during your research. You stumble on this website during your research, you can just input that. Now there are two methods here. You can either provide the brand name, as I've said, or manufacturer name that will help you distinguish which is which, or just link, it could be more than one, but I'll just use this, or link to one of the website or stores already selling the product. So it will browse to the website. You can see that's browse through the website and it will extract all of those details. So we have all of those details extracted. Is that not amazing? Now this is very useful in a situation whereby the product is not popular on Google like that. Unlike the first product we use, it's kind of popular. Google search is showing us different results. But for a product that is not that popular and you are very specific, so just use this option. So I just made that provision for products like this. You can see. And the next thing is the language. Okay, so I would say standard English, and the country is USA. Now sometimes it might ask the language and the country question alongside the special offer. So I'll just say 20% discount. That's just it. And guys, that is it. We have our copy. So you can decide to manually replace the car play box with your own product name or brand name, right? You are following a framework, and that is the difference, guys. Now in case you are asking, okay, how can I access this copycraft? So I had to bring this to the last part, but before then, please give this video a thumbs up if it makes more sense. And I'm trying to consider creating more AI assistants for the community, because the truth is many of the GPTs and AI assistants out there, they are not meant for my kind of audience. So you still need someone like me to create this stuff, because I have the idea of marketing, e-commerce business, and even AI. So I'm bringing all of this together to create solution for my audience and for my community. So you'll not really see a tailored solution like this, because many people are targeting other countries and audience. So you need to encourage me. Let me know you actually find this very useful. Like this video, drop a comment, share with other people, share with your team members, your staff, your employees, even other communities. Please share so I can create more. And also drop in the comment section if you want me to create maybe for Facebook ads. Just drop them. If the comment is many, I'll probably do a random picking and pick one of the requests and then build the AI assistant. So let's talk about how you can actually access this AI assistant. eCommerce Copywriting is a GPT. GPT is more like an AI assistant, so that's why I prefer using the word AI assistant. So is actually an AI assistant. So if you want to access it, there are different ways I've made it publicly available. So you can just come to your GPTs. Don't worry, you can still access this for free. I'll talk about that briefly, but let me just show you. So just search for eCommerce Copycraft. Now, I did not know someone else already have this name. I actually chose this name even before I saw this. So, but then I'll leave it at that. So mine is Adeleke Samuel, is just live. That's why you have just 10 chats. So just select this. You'll see my name, my LinkedIn. Connect with me on LinkedIn. Yeah, I'm active there. I share some things I don't even share any other place. All right, so just click on start chat and you are here. If you want a direct link, just go to adelekesamuel.com/copycraft. So this will also take you here. All right, so now let me just share some things you can do here. So if you have feedback after using this, you have feedback, suggestions, please send them. You can use this send feedback menu. When you send the feedback, I'll receive it via my email and I'll work on your suggestions, right? So I want to make this something everybody and anyone can use. So take this as the version 1. Of course, there will be more versions and I'll also talk about it. So if you are not on my Telegram channel, please try to join an AI tribe community where I can share more AI related stuff. So please join. Every other communications updates will be made there, even if it is not on my YouTube channel. Please join there. And that thing I'd like you to please do is review this GPT. This will not just save you time, it will save you money and can also make you more money. Please review this GPT. If I get good responses, good reviews, that is enough for me to create more GPTs and more AI assistant. Now, in case you do not want to always come back here, you can always keep. So for example, these are some of my AI assistant, some that I use personally, some for businesses, for my personal business and all of that. Okay, so you can just click the eCom this thing and you can keep it on the sidebar. There is an option for that, I think. Yeah, that is it. Now, before now, GPTs is only available to ChatGPT premium subscribers, but after they release this update, GPT 4.0, if you have not watched this video, I created a video summary of that event. So you have access to some of the premium features like GPT Store, Vision, Browse, Memory, Advanced Data Analysis tool. So you have access to all of these features now, which means you can also use GPTs. This will change the whole game. So instead of just teaching you stuff, I'll be creating tools that will empower you to implement and execute what you are learning on my channel. So that is the current phase I'm currently at, and I want to help you. So this is the way I will empower you to implement everything that I've been teaching for a very long time. So guys, as I've said, my birthday offer, my birthday gift is up for the next 48 hours. Go to adelekesamuel.com/M17 to grab yours. So guys, that is all for now. If you have questions, drop them in the comment section. If you have suggestions, if you have some requests, please just drop them. I'll be willing to answer. And that will be all for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.